Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To block buyers on eBay, the first thing to do is to click on My eBay located at the top. Then, click on the Account tab. Select the option Site Preferences. Here, we look for the Buyer Requirements section. We will find the option Block Buyers Who. Click on Edit. Here we will see different conditions to block a buyer. According to the strikes he has, according to his location too. Buyers with negative feedback score. Among other reasons. If you want to activate any of these conditions, click on the square to activate with the check. Then click on Submit. In my case, I will deactivate this option. I want to show you how to directly block a specific buyer. At the top, we click on Buyer Requirements Exemption List. Then we choose the option Add an eBay user to my blocked bidder and buyer list. Here, we must write the user ID. If we want to add several users, we must separate them by a comma. In this case, for example, I want to block this user. eBay 2020. I will write eBay 2020 and another user, separated by a comma. Then I'll click Submit. That's it, we've blocked them. Now, if we want to edit our list, we go back again, the same way we did a moment ago. Here, I'm going to delete the user eBay 2020. I just delete his ID and click Submit. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.